Oh, something smacked it as soon as they hit the water. What is that? Is that a white bass? What is a white bass doing in here? What are those? What in the world? That was the coolest thing ever. There's one right there, another good one. Man, look at the size of that one. What's up everybody, Derek here, and welcome to the river. It looks awesome out here today. The water is so green. There must be a spring or something coming in here because it feels cooler, but I'm gonna come out here and go fishing with a little lure that I really like, and that is the Beetlespin. This thing catches, it seems like everything that's in a creek or a river, but we're gonna go out here and give it a shot and see what exactly we can catch. Hopefully some big old panfish, and hopefully there's some bigger bass that might want to eat this small little lure. So let's go see what we can find. Got one right off that drop. What do we got? Man, that fish is so white. What is that, a green sunfish with like literally no color in it? That's crazy. Thanks, buddy. Never seen a silver green sunfish. Got it. What is this? He hit it like 3 different times. Man, and he got it down there. Ugh. Yeah, got it. Green sunfish, I believe. He's smacking this thing. Oh, got one. What is that? Is that a rock bass? Nope. That is a big old... Man, that bluegill is all messed up. He's been through it. Got one. Right back in there. Nice, nice. Thanks, buddy. I thought that was the bass that was about to hit it, but nope. There are some bass down in there. Let's see if they'll hit it. There we go. Something smacked it. Whoa. He came off right there. Ugh. Stop jumping. All right, I got him. It's a big old... Is that a red breast? I believe that's a red breast right there. Thanks, buddy. Oh, something smacked it as soon as they hit the water. Oh, another fish is chasing it. What is that? Is that a white bass? That looks like a white bass. What is a white bass doing in here? What are those? Oh, that fish has got it. That fish has got it. The fish has got it in its mouth. Oh my gosh, is this a hybrid? What in the world just happened? How did that happen? That is crazy. What in the world? That was the coolest thing ever. How did I just catch a brim and then end up catching that? That is so cool. Is that a white bass? Oh my goodness, I think that's a white bass. Wow. That is a good size one too. That is one of the coolest catches I have had in a while. Dang, I thought he ate that perch, but somehow the perch came undone and he ate it. All right, I'm gonna let you go, bud. Dang. That was crazy. Was not expecting that to happen. All right, I gotta try this again. So there's white bass down in there, I guess. Huh. There's one right there, another good one. Dang, that's a good one right there. Wow, I just found a pocket of white bass. I had no idea they were in here. No idea, and this one's bigger than the other one. Wow. Are these hybrids? I'm gonna have to look this up, but this is a good one right here. Man, look at the size of that one. Wow. These have got to be hybrids. There is no way that's a white bass. That is so cool. Huh. Fishing little bitty pool right off the river and bam. These things are in here. There must be a bunch of them down there. Ha ha ha. Oh, I got something right there. Little guy. Gosh, I go to catching those hybrids to that. I want to find some more of those hybrids. Those things were fun. Got another one right there. Well guys, this little beetle spin came through for me. I think those were hybrids. Let me know in the comment section, those bigger fish that I caught downstream. They were in that little pool and it was so unexpected because I caught that one little green sunfish in that white, I thought it was a white bass at first, but it had to have been a hybrid, I think. But anyways, that thing just chased it and somehow this thing came unpinned from the little sunfish and got into that hybrid's mouth, and it's crazy. I caught that thing, then tossed it back out there, and I caught even another big one. So I had no idea that hybrids were even in this. So it's kind of cool because I can go down to these little pools now and fish with one of these and most likely probably catch some. But it's crazy what these little beetle spins can catch sometimes. That little bitty thing right there, 1/32 ounce, caught those big old hybrids. So thanks for watching, you guys, and subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.